Okay, we have another indoor air handler, so not including the window units. 1, 2, 6, something like that. We're catching up. Inventories, we're narrowing the gap. When you have a return air plenum that's on the ground, it's supposed to be lined. Okay, it's not supposed to look like that. All that nice. And of course, your return air plenum is not supposed to have a hole in it. I guess that you put your missing air filter in there. Is there an air filter in there? Yeah, there is. Think any air is getting around that gap? I do. Shallow P-trap, not insulated. We do have a pump. Okay. If we had a safety switch, we wouldn't need a secondary drain line, but we don't have a safety switch. We've got electricity in here. We're wiring things up. Cloth tape on the plenum. Unprotected conductors entering. We do not have a care and use manual. This thing was manufactured in 2011, at the end of 2011. And it uses 410A.